乾いた。そして
最後にお水とイースト。OK。ではセットします。ホームベーカリーにセット。洗って種を取り除きます。いっぱいいっぱいです。オリーブオイルとお酢、ビネガー、
We're back to City Creek. It's been 2 years, I think.
久々に来ました。いや
It's been at least a year, right?
ー、
Wow.
久々に来ました。同期のバッグもあります。いつも寄るところ見ました。持ちやすい。
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah.
That's new. We just got that. Do you want to give it a try?
Maybe later.
Okay, let me know if you need a fitting room.
Thank you.
So much pressure.
Yeah, I'm very wake up.
That's cute. That's really cute. Yeah, it does look nice. It looks very summer comfortable. I like that. You see? It's nice. Or how much?
100.
$100. Or you can get this.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Here you go, babe. Here, hold this for 1 second.
What are you doing? What's so long? What?
That's what I'm saying. It's very,
Eh?
it's very long. I'm tall.
Yeah.
Look at this.
2 メ
As
ート
tall
ル
as I am.
え
Wow.
どうやって着こなすのこれ
It's $320.
どうやって着こなすのかな
It's like a curtain. So long. Those look so light and comfortable.
Yeah, very light. I think I like simple one.
I like the other one better.
That one?
It looks more carefree, relaxed, you know?
I like it.
No, they're both nice. I like them both. The other one just looks so light. That looks like too professional. You know, like going to a business meeting. See, that looks just comfortable. Look at that. That's really nice. Really light. I like that one the best. On the left?
Actually, I like this one.
Okay.
I don't know.
They're all nice though.
ちょっとここのキラキラの
I think it's cute. You think so?
すっごいカラフルです、この辺りは。すっごいカラフル。シンプル。
I don't like it. I don't like the front style.
見せてくれてます。かわいい。
Oh, those are cute.
いや。怖い。怖い怖い。これ。
Coasters.
うん。キュー。
I I would be more worried about those damaging our table than the drinks. Oh, they're so heavy, right?
これかわいい。cute.
What is it? Just a bag full of rags?
I think so.
Just a way to keep your rags in your kitchen, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, those are cute.
サラダ。
Salad tossers.
I figured. Good.
でちょっと休ませましょう。丸く伸ばします。ではカットしていきます。で二次発酵終わりました。焼く前にバターをちょっと塗ります。最後にお塩。はい、オーブンに入れます。わふわふわ。 ああ、ドッグだった。
Come on. Oh, up on its little step.
ああ。
We see you, buddy.
Good dog.
You're a cutie. You are a good.
Yeah, good dog.
Just a guard dog at the front, you know, steps.
この鳥をよく見るけど、ご近所で。ほんとお散歩日和。最近はやっと暖かくなりました。山はまだ雪だけど、めっぽ。これはもう道ではないか。おしゃれなお家を発見しました。こっちもおしゃれ。あ、綺麗。ちょっとお花の時期は終わっちゃったけど。
Jackpot.
映さないでおきましょう。